How to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you'll have to refresh your TikTok app to make sure that maximum number of attempts reached error is solved. So for that, go to your settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. There, scroll down until you find TikTok. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll find offload app option. So this will uninstall the app, but your data will still remain the same. So while uninstalling it, it refreshes all the errors, and then when you install it back again from the app store, then the problem will be solved. However, if it does not solve a problem, then it must be because of the device issue. So you can just scroll down the notification bar from the right to control the access the control center, and then on the top right you'll find power button. Go ahead and tap on it and then restart a device. Sometimes restarting a device goes a long way. And that's it. This will solve your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.